engine. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And here you can see rear back camera. Rear camera. Back camera. Okay. This motor, it controls the rotary of the drum. Radiator. It control to cool the drum independently controlled the to cool the drum. Radiator. Okay, let's see the cam. This is cam. Okay, let's open it. The cam, and the seat and the joystick. Look, this is auto wing skill. Fan, and you can choose air conditioner. Okay, and see the joystick. Okay, it control front, back. Operate easily. Okay, look at the blue and red button. It can control to add water automatically.